Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to disable automatically hardware driver update in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to your start menu and type over there GPEDIT.MSC. Also you can put the same command on your run box. Just type over there GPEDIT.MSC. Now you'll get this same window over there. Now under computer configuration on the left side corner, you will get a administrative template. So you have to expand that. Now expand system, and under system you will get a option like driver installation. So just select that driver installation, and so you will get an option like turn off Windows update device driver search prompt. So right click over there and click on edit, and after that select here enable and click on apply and then OK. Now you have to expand the Windows component from the left side corner, and after that scroll down and you will get an option like Windows update. So here it is. So just select Windows update, no need to expand, and on the right side corner you will get an option like don't include drivers with Windows update. So right click over there and go to the edit and click on enable, and then after that apply and then click on OK, and now you're done. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions in the comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.